Hello everyone, my name is Ice from Technic Force, and we are still on our Leads to List software training. Our topic for today is how to create lead forms in Facebook. Creating a Facebook lead forms will help you generate more leads, attracting more audience, possible sales, and increase in your profit. So now I will show you how to create lead ads form in Facebook. We are now on our Facebook homepage, and the first step is to go to your Facebook page. Just choose a page you want to work on. Now to go there, just click on the drop-down arrow located on the upper right corner of the screen. Then here it will show you all the pages you are currently managing. Just choose one from the list and then click it. After that, it will direct you to your Facebook page wall. Now on the upper portion, select Publishing Tools tab. And here you will see all the posts you have previously created for that particular page. Now scroll down a little and find Lead Ads Forms. Just below that, you can also see Forms Library for all the forms you have made for this page, and as well as the ones that you weren't able to finish or still in the process of making. And you can find that on the Draft Forms Library. Now click on Forms Library. As you can see, we have not created any forms as of yet. So to make one, click on Create button. Then here, it will ask you if you like to create a new form or duplicate an existing one. So since we don't have anything to duplicate, let's choose New Form, then click on Next. It will then direct you to another page. Now, as you can see, we have two different tabs. We have the Content and the Settings. For the Content tab, we have Form Type, Intro, Questions, Privacy Policy, and the Thank You screen. Now for Form Type, we have two different options. We have more volume and higher intent. Now when you create a lead ad, by default you optimize for more volume. This is a standard for where it is a lot easier for users to quickly submit their information using their mobile device, which can result in a large number of leads. This is ideal for those advertisers that are trying to build an email mailing list or looking to pre-register people for an event. Now, as for the Optimize for Higher Intent, this form has three features: inline context under Contact field, slide to submit in the review screen, and of course the review screen, which gives user a chance to review their info prior confirming. And also take note that higher intent option will only be delivered to Facebook feed on mobile. Now let's move to Intro. This is an optional feature, so if you don't want to fill this out, you can just skip it by clicking on this one. However, if you want to use this feature, once you click on it, you will see that it will have a form, another set of form that has three different parts. We have headline, image, and layout. For the headline, you have maximum of 60 characters to have a brief description of what people will receive. So any promotional details, you can just put right here on the headline field. For the image, you can choose to use image from your previous ad by clicking on this one, or upload new image from your computer by clicking on this one and choosing Upload Image. As for the layout, layout gives you maximum of 80 characters for the bullet form, and a paragraph form with no character limit, so you can put in as many words as you want. Here you can put message that tells people about your brand, product, or service. You can check the preview on the right side of the screen. This is actually what people will see once you start to run this ad. Now moving on, we have questions. Questions is for any inquiry you would like to ask people. It could either be a survey or product related you can use to improve your service. As you can see, the forum also consists of different segments. We have headline and user information. So for the user information here, you can actually choose what would you like the people to provide on your ad or on your form. So just click on email if you want them to provide their email addresses or their name, or you can even show more options and choose whether it's gender, date of birth, job title. So you have a lot of option here so that you'll be able to target the right audience or the right people. Now for the custom or add custom question, when you click on that, it will give you choices of answer format depending on your question or preference. So it could be short answer, multiple choice, conditional, and or appointment scheduling. And also please take note that you can add up to 15 questions. Now for the privacy policy, this is where you can add your custom disclaimer. You can also add additional disclaimers and has no character limit set. So all you have to do is to provide link description and just paste your link URL right here. And if you want to add additional disclaimer, just click on or put check mark on this one. And here it will provide you another form to fill out. Now for the thank you screen. Thank you screen is where you could add to help keep connected and engage with your customers. You can also choose the type of button you want to appear on your thank you screen, and button text and the website link. Well, that actually depends on the button type that you've chosen. So when you click on this one, it will give you different options. We have view website if you want people to be directed on your website. Download to download a form or anything that is related on your product or service. And call business if you want to provide or want them to easily access or call you on your phone. You can just simply choose that one and add a button text. And of course, provide your phone number. As you can see on the right side, the preview changes every time you make any changes on the edit form on the left side. When you're done, just click on either save for additional review on the lead form or finish to start running it. Now, please take note that save is used if you want to come back and add more info and create changes on it. And finish if you want to run it to your ad, but you cannot create any changes on this. However, you can still duplicate and make changes to the new copy. So that's about it for how to create lead forms in Facebook.